Hello and welcome back. Hope you're good, doing well. So this is going to be the dollar yen setup and analysis for the next move. Before going to look at that, if anyone want to join us, just simply visit wave-share.com or check the membership levels. And if looking for further information, just simply fill that form and send that form to me. Okay, now let's get back to the YouTube. Okay, so if you want to understand that what has happened to the dollar yen, just simply look at this previous video analysis. All right, and you're gonna get the idea that what we were expecting into that video analysis and setup, and what market has done, and what you should expect for the next move. During the non-farm payroll. Now let's get back to the dollar yen. Okay, so the channel is same, hasn't changed. All right, even after the Fed rate decision. Okay, so in the last video analysis, we were expecting price to stay below those moving averages, and this wedge which was just appearing over there, that wedge to break down and continue to keep tracking lower. During the Fed rate decision, we were expecting price to break down and give us that move. Okay, the move which I was talking about in the previous video analysis, up to this previous low. Right, up to this previous low. So the move which is just happening over there, we were expecting that move, but we were expecting that move to be slower, not so aggressive. Okay, but we are having non-farm payrolls today. So after that non-farm payroll data, you are looking dollar yen to just simply break down that lower time frame channel which is just appearing over there, to break down and continue to keep dragging lower. Okay, but before going to look at that, I hope that we do have update on that chart. Okay, so this is what we were expecting in the previous video analysis. Yeah, we got the breakout, and we are having that flat formation or expanding triangle, whatever you want to call that, which we were anticipating in the previous video analysis or previously. Okay, this formation. So this formation is just simply appearing over there. Now the next move you are looking after the non-farm payroll is just simply a breakout to the downside. Okay, so the example, if I'm going to use an example chart, so the exemplary chart going to be on the daily time frame. Yeah, so there, so what kind of move you are looking during a non-farm payroll on the dollar yen on 1 hour time frame. Okay, so the example gonna be here. Okay, so there you got. So this kind of aggressive breakout you are looking, after the non-farm payroll or during the non-farm payroll. So we are having similar kind of pattern formation right there at this area. So you are looking simply that sharp sell-off, that kind of sharp sell-off over there on the dollar yen, and that sharp sell-off to break down this previous low, and first of all go up to 126.50, and in best case scenario go all the way up to 125. Okay, so you got the point. Hopefully this kind of aggressive sell-off. Okay, the red candle you see over there, that red candle you are searching over there on the dollar yen. So if I'm gonna look at the 1 hour time frame chart now, okay, 4 hour time frame first, what move? The move is just clear now. Okay, the next leg lower, which can extend up to these areas. Okay, up to 126.50, or in best case scenario 125. So in longer term 120 going to be the target, but we'll see that. Okay, so I'm going to look at the 1 hour time frame. Breakout is also trying to happen. Price may not test that. Okay, I was expecting it to just simply test that and then drop. So it may not test that during a non-farm payroll. The best stuff going to be the breakout. Okay, so you look in this flag which is just appearing over there, that flag to break out. Okay, so if I'm gonna slightly draw a couple of more arrows on it, okay, so it's trying to break out, it can break out and continue to keep dragging lower, or can push up for another leg higher during the non-farm payrolls, if data is going to be good on the non-farm payroll, and can test that top and then can break down. Right, so like that. So if I'm going to remove that, so slightly formation is changed. All right, the formation which I have just shown you there on the exemplary chart. Okay, so now it has changed. The reason Yeah, so you're looking breakout. So the candle which I've just shown you on the oil chart, okay, on the daily time frame. So you're looking for that kind of breakout. If that breakout comes from there, you're looking to sell and break this previous low and continue to keep dragging lower up to 126.60. Yeah, so if let's say non-farm payroll numbers are going to be slightly good, okay, then we may see another push higher all the way back to that top or within the moving averages. Then they're going to be an expanding triangle formation. Okay, so still you're looking for a breakout and continue to keep dragging lower. So this is the formation you are looking to break down during the non-farm payroll. Yeah, that's the setup. The setup you are looking breakdown and sell and continue to keep dragging lower. So let's talk about the worst possibility. Yes, if we're not gonna get that breakout and price is slightly going to change that formation, then simply stick to that 4-hour time frame. Okay, so the 4-hour time frame is still trending to the downside. We can see, as in the previous video analysis, I have told you that price is nicely running within the moving averages. You know, they're holding breaking. Okay, so all these were sell setup. Okay, so the sell setup. So the recent one we were expecting there. Yeah, so this there we had the video analysis, and after the, as shown in the previous video analysis, that you are looking yields to fall after the Fed rate decision. So, and that has driven that move lower. Okay, the worst case scenario is that these moving averages, yes, if the next breakdown is not coming and slight change is just coming over there, okay, because of the non-farm payroll, so setup still gonna be the downside. Okay, so target gonna be 125 you are looking. Hope that makes sense. So lower time frame breakdown, 1-hour time frame breakdown, continue to keep dragging lower. If that doesn't happen during the non-farm payroll, yeah, push slightly more higher, get back within the moving averages again, 4-hour moving averages, and again, and stay, you know, trending to the downside. There we can see that. Yeah, so struggle over there again and then continue to keep dragging. I don't see that is going to happen. Okay, what I see that the 1-hour time frame is going to break down during after the non-farm payroll, and that's what you're looking. So the move has just begun over there from that top. Okay, now that move to break down this low. Okay, this breakout you're looking. Okay, and the target going to be that 126.50, and in best case scenario 126.50. Continue to keep dragging lower all the way up to 125. All right, hope that makes sense. We'll see you back again in another analysis. Until then, bye.